Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making yogurt again, but this time I'm using my Breville Smart Oven Air. Yep, I'm making yogurt in my oven. And it's super duper easy, and I'm only using 2 ingredients, Oikos plain Greek yogurt and Fairlife whole milk. First, I'm starting off by emptying the yogurt container into my 2-quart bowl. Actually, this is just the insert to my 2-quart Kasori pressure cooker. So I've added in the yogurt and I'm putting in a little bit of milk, and I'm gonna whisk that together till the milk and the yogurt is well combined and it's not lumpy. So once everything is all smooth, I'm adding in the rest of the milk. So once all of the milk has been added to the pot, it's time to cover it and place it in the oven. So the cool thing about the Breville is its wide range of temperatures. So the perfect temperature for yogurt to incubate is 110 degrees. So I'm using the warm setting, and I've got it set to 110, and I set the timer for 8 hours. And at this point, I'm able to just do whatever. This was last night, so I went to bed. And then when I woke up the next morning, I had yogurt. So, I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. You get some yogurt, you get some milk, you put it in the oven, and then you've got yogurt. If you don't have this oven, you can also do this in your pressure cooker that has a yogurt setting. I did it in my Instant Pot previously in another video. I know the Kasori pressure cookers have a yogurt function, so any pressure cooker that has a yogurt function, you can do the same thing. So anyways, you can use this for cooking, baking. Here I made a breakfast banana split using my homemade yogurt. I'll put a link to that video above and below. So as always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen.